Welcome to the Maak channel. Today we are drawing a cute cat and a dog with their food bowls. First, we draw the dog with its happy face and wagging tail. This drawing is simple and easy, perfect for kids. This cat and dog are best friends and love eating together. Next, let's draw the cute cat sitting near its bowl. The cat and dog are excited to see their yummy food. Let's go for coloring. We add colors to make the cat and dog look bright and fun. You can paint this dog and cat creatively with different colors. Try to use happy and attractive colors. Look at those happy faces. They love their food. So now, let's color the cat together. Don't forget to share your drawings and have fun creating.